Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing an after dark clean with me. I got this idea from Amanda over on This Crazy Life. These are some of my favorite videos to watch of hers, so I figured that I'd give it a go. Cleaning up at the end of the day is part of my nighttime routine anyway, so I figured I'd flip on the camera and get you some cleaning motivation. So let's get started. On this night, Josh had already gone to bed. He put the boys and Lila to bed for me because he knew that I needed to go ahead and get started on the chores for the evening, and he had to go to bed early because he was working out of town for this week. So everyone is in bed at this time, and I have free reign of the house to go ahead and get everything all cleaned up. I'm going to be starting in the kitchen and moving my way over into our eating area where our table is, and then moving on into the living room and tidying up in there just a bit. I wanted to sweep the floors as well because we do have a dog and crumbs just accumulate. So we're going to be focusing on the kitchen, the eating area, and the living room in this video.
One, two, three. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl? Got the kick in every move and I fought just like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something, something special about you. Got me under lock and key, but I don't wanna be free when I'm next to you. You're like honey to a bee, I go crazy for the sweet when I'm next to you, girl. Got the kick in every move and I fought just like a fool for you, for you. It might seem that I'm dumb, but it's you that's got me stunned. Stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something, something special about you. You got it down, shake my ground, and I can't get enough. Got me spellbound. And every day, in every way, I just know there's something about you. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something special about you. I got nothing more to lose, but cover your eyes, this one's for you. They say you have to live to learn, and maybe that's why I question burn. I got news for you. I'm jumping up Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro. Listen to my drum as I bang. I'm not gonna be silent in this beer I wang. Oh, you know I'm not that kind of girl. I'm much better off in the underworld. I got news for you, and things I wanna pursue. Oh,
Kilimanjaro, and my legs are gonna turn into a tail. Oh, Kilimanjaro. Oh, Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro.
Narrow streets and dusty roads I've lingered on for far too many years. I've wandered down the city, taking pity on myself through my fears. All this place ever gave me was a boot upon my face when I was down. Give me back my liberty, I'll take my first step to where I'm bound. And like an arrow I will soar through the air. I'll take you with me from this place of despair. Take me out to roam the world again. Take me out to roam the world.
All right, y'all, so that about wraps it up for my After Dark Clean with me. It was real quick, real simple tonight. I only focused on the kitchen, the eating area, and our living room. I'll definitely be making more of these videos in the future. I really like doing the After Dark Clean with me's. Moving into more of the house in future videos, like into the playroom and tidying up the bathrooms, whatnot. I just have to be careful where I go in the house so I don't wake anybody up. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification and set it to all so that you receive notifications on all the videos that I post. I do post 2 times a week, and I would love it if you would join me. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.